Everyone, so welcome back to this channel, and today I just want to talk about something that is very important to me, of course to our community and to the mission behind this training space. In this channel, whether we are practicing Filipino martial arts or exploring movement, wellness, and self-defense, respect is really non-negotiable. This is an inclusive environment where everyone is welcome, regardless of gender, sexual orientation, background, or identity. What matters here is your attitude, your effort, and the respect that you show to others. Part of my goal as a Filipino martial arts instructor is to promote our cultural heritage, especially the beauty and the depth of Filipino martial arts. At the same time, I want this space to support personal health improvement, encouraging people to train, move, stay active, and take care of their physical and mental well-being. Recently, I had to address a comment that really crossed a line. And I want to be clear about the standards we uphold here. Personal questions, inappropriate remarks, or anything that makes someone feel uncomfortable have no place in the community, whether in class or in this channel. Martial arts is built on discipline, humility, and honor. We train to grow, to connect with our culture, to improve our health, and to lift each other up. Never to pull down anyone or tear anyone down. So here's my message. If you come here with a good heart and a willingness to learn, you're welcome. If you bring disrespect, you will be asked to leave. And it's that very simple. It's really that simple. So thank you everyone who continues to support this space and help make it safe, strong, and positive. Let's keep training, keep improving, and keep building this community together while keeping our culture alive and strengthening ourselves in the process. So thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next sessions. Thank you everyone.